Kapag malapit na yung undas, ang dami kong napapanood ng mga documentary sa TV tungkol sa mga kababalaghan. Multo, aswang, engkanto at mga lamang lupa. I would like to focus on what we call engkanto. Hindi po ako supernatural expert at wala din po akong sayad. I just happen to know stuff. I will not be explaining anymore how I got this knowledge and I am not asking you to believe me, but what I am about to share you is true. Skeptics are welcome to comment. Anyway, madami sa atin dito sa summer ang nakarinig na tungkol sa mahiwagang lugar ng Biringan o Araw City. Totoo po ito, meron po talagang gantong lugar. Gusto ko pong linawin na magkaibang mga lamang lupa, kapre, tikbalang, nuno sa punso, duwende, etc. sa mga engkanto. Magkaiba po ang kanilang mundo at pinanggalingan. At halos kalahati ng mga kwento at haka-haka tungkol sa lugar na to ay pawang katang-isip at imahinasyon lamang. Let me shed some light on this place and its entities. Like human beings, they also sleep, eat, and die as well. The only difference is they live longer than our life expectancy. It is not true that they abduct people and leave them dead, allegedly replacing their bodies with some dead log. Oftentimes, people will ask why they can't see Biringan. It does exist, but spells are being chanted for them to remain hidden from the prying eyes of those who wanted to exploit their land. Now, the manifestation of their place is in its physical form. It's what they call kalinata, or changing of the guardians of their portals. They invite mortals from the human world, not necessarily pure of heart like those fairy tales, but people whom they think they can help them in some ways, and in return they would reward them with prosper life. But before they return humans, they say a chant that would have cleared their recollection of the place. Hours in their place could mean days in our time. In their place, they don't reject technology, but it is being highly discouraged. They don't use electricity, for they are given the greatest energy of all, the air and the sun. Never fear the engkanto because they are not murderers, contrary to all those myths circulating in this world. Some engkanto have the privilege to cross in this world, and some of their clans even study in our schools for them to learn more about the human world. They coexist in this so-called universe one way or another. Long before anything about technology, they already are in contact with some of the people in our world, teaching us of the right ways and how to achieve a nirvana-like society. Unfortunately, the nature of some humans gets in the way. Greed. They have given them portion of their land, but what they have done? Quarried for minerals, chopped down trees, and so on, all for the money. They so much desire to live with the humans, but this incident made them aware that we all are not ready to embrace their ways. They don't have the principle of money, and they even don't understand why it should be invented in the first place. Biringan City or Araw City is actually called Mahaniha in their world. It is not a dream world, paradise, nor a modern city with high-rise buildings and luxurious cars as we all hear from different stories. They don't look like humans as well. However, they are made up of the same structure as the human body, and they can wear and change their looks as they cross our world. It is a spell to enchant humans, to see them like ordinary people. They are given the pass to cross this world, but in human time, they are only privileged to stay for 35-something years cause they grow old very, very slow. And that would bring curiosity to most people. They will be allowed to be back again in the proper time. I am not here to convince you to believe me. Again, wala po akong sayad. Trip ko lang talaga. Believing in something is not to be labeled crazy. The problem with human is that we understand that we have greater power than we think, only we understand how to discard our perception about reality. Those who unlock the secrets most of the time go into hiding for the fear of being labeled as freak or a threat to humanity. But whatever. Kung gusto mong updated ka sa lahat ng bagong videos, click na ang subscribe button at notification bell. Maaari ka ring makatulong sa channel sa pagpunta sa Patreon page, yung link nasa description, kung saan pwede ka magpadala ng pera sa channel. Maski $1 or 50 pesos per month napakalaking tulong na po.